Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. The Shiba Inu price predictions have arrived, and they are completely insane. I understand that you probably have a variety of emotions over your Shiba Inu possessions, but you might want to wait a little while and find out what the professionals have to say before making any decisions regarding your SHIB. Also, we'll look at some crucial technological clues and other significant recent developments involving Shiba Inu. You won't want to miss this video, I assure you. The predictions made by the experts are highly important, and the Shiba Inu team's breaking news is also essential. So be sure to stay tuned and see the entire video. Disclaimer. Shib Army, how are you? We appreciate you viewing the channel today. I'll be sharing some of the most important Shiba Inu news with you in this video. Price is undoubtedly the hot item on almost everyone's mind who owns a SHIB, and that makes sense. Nonetheless, to get you warmed up before we examine SHIB's price and everything else, here are some fascinating developments. It comes as no surprise that the Shib Army is routinely one of the most active crypto communities in the market, given its reputation for intense and vocal engagement both online and offline. Shiba Inu has become one of the top 10 assets with the most engaged communities based on social engagements thanks to its strong and active social media presence. Shiba Inu debuted at number 7 on a list of the top 10 assets with the largest community interaction, according to recent research, and had a total social engagement of 123 million in just 24 hours. Lunar Crush is a top social intelligence platform. What makes this significant now? Well, as you may already know, a robust social media presence plays a significant part in a cryptocurrency project's ultimate success. This is so because vibrant communities are desirable, and vibrant communities can grow the community and increase the value of the token. And guess what? This is already effective. According to a report from CryptoBasic.com, investor interest in Shiba Inu has already begun to rise. The previous week, the trade volume for Shiba Inus alone was through the roof. She pulled off a startling $20 million in trade volume in just 24 hours. Now, how does this relate to the professional forecasts made regarding the cost of Shiba Inus? So make sure you watch this video all the way through, because we're about to discuss it. But before we do, let's take a moment to consider another intriguing fact as we move closer to the forecast. Despite the fact that the primary launch hasn't even occurred, the Shibarium testnet is seeing a lot of usage. For Shiba Inu, this is quite encouraging. Around 13 million wallet addresses are now interacting with Shibarium, according to PuppyScan. Yet, that is not even all. Shibarium is already being used by developers to create new projects, such as the MZEDX project. But you should still exercise caution. A project is not always safe to invest in just because it is listed on Shibarium. Yet, aside from that, Shibarium's success is fantastic news, especially when you consider Dern. Shibarium may aid in the annual burning of 500 billion Shiba Inu, according to estimates. If this occurs, Shiba Inu may reach the $1 threshold much sooner than we anticipate. What that entails in terms of gains is already known to us. Now, let's get right to the financial discussion. How is price the Shiba Inu doing these days? We'll start at the top by examining what the charts indicate in the beginning. Then, we'll go on to the professional forecasts. Shiba Inu's pricing has been consolidated for a considerable amount of time. Shiba Inu has begun to exhibit fresh signs of life, nevertheless, after a 7-day low and a daily increase of 7%. Shiba Inu has been able to emerge from its most recent consolidation phase, as evidenced by its technical perspective. And given that Shiba Inu's relative strength index is currently at 57, there is reason to think that its price will continue to rise. How high will it rise, though? So make sure to keep an eye on things. The Shiba Inu chart shows that the stock is currently trading above the Kumo cloud, which is a bullish indicator, as I'm about to reveal according to Coin Edition. Indicating that the token is gaining traction, the Tenkan-sen line is currently trading above the Kijun-sen line. Okay, we're ready to go on to the price prediction, which will happen right after this crucial break. Now, let's get back to the video. So how much higher is Shiba Inu going to go? Well, have a look at this. Shiba Inu's price is on the verge of leaving its consolidated zone, as we already reported. According to experts, this is the perfect time for prospective buyers to enter the market. Shiba Inu might rise by a staggering 20% if it is able to maintain its position above the resistance that has been broken. If you want to make a successful investment, you should take other factors into account in addition to short-term development. Shiba Inu may experience some large increases over the coming days or weeks, but can it sustain this pace over the long haul? It turns out that the answer to the question is a resounding yes, and there are good signs to back this up. The first, less obvious explanation for this is the inexpensive price of Shiba Inus. Shiba Inu will continue to be a desirable alternative for potential investors looking for low-risk investment opportunities because it is now so reasonably priced. As a result, there will be more holders, which will increase transaction volume and drive up prices. Shiba Inu's expanding legion of fans is the second factor, which is slightly connected to the first. More people are interested in Shiba Inus as they become more widely accepted in society. Unavoidably, this might result in greater demand, which might raise the cost. The third reason is next. Long-term pricing increases for Shiba Inus could result from partnerships and collaborations. Shiba Inu will gain more credibility in the eyes of potential investors as more businesses join up with them, which could increase demand and, consequently, pricing. The experts believe that Shiba Inu's chances are so strong that its price could increase by up to 10 times in just 1 year. That's incredible. Speaking of collaborations, the Shiba Inu is now working on a ton of projects that will greatly increase the breed's price in the near future. The collaboration between Binance and CoinGate is one of those alliances. This agreement, according to a recent release, is an endeavor on the side of finance to promote the widespread acceptance of cryptocurrency payments. Ever since Shiba Inu was added to Binance Pay's list of accepted cryptocurrencies in November 2022, a number of businesses have partnered with the biggest exchange in the world to accept low-cost payments. Shiba Inu's march towards widespread adoption is likely to get a boost thanks to this new cooperation. For many years, CoinGate has collaborated with leading retailers, including small and medium-sized businesses. The business has also been successful in selling its payment solution to more than 200 merchants over this time, including Wix merchants, Andromeda B, 12 vitamin stores, etc. Clearly, this is fantastic news for Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu will be widely adopted if 200 more businesses join the already sizable network of businesses that accept it as payment, which will lead to more demand. We also know that higher prices result from more demand, which increases profits. For the Shib army, this is excellent news. So, moving on to more exciting news, would you like to earn some extra money? There is, however, a trading contest where you may win $1,000 in cash. A new trading competition featuring a $1,000 prize for the top 20 traders has been announced by Crypto.com. To enter the tournament, customers only need to swap a Shiba Inu, gel, or sand valued at least $100. However, you must arrive promptly because the trading competition closes on April 26 at 6:59 p.m. Universal Time.